Hello everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody. I am super happy to announce that I am a Connshomeplus partner. I've shared several posts over on Instagram and I wanted to create this special video for my YouTube family, friends, and visitors. So I've never shared my current laundry room, but thanks to Connshomeplus, you will be seeing this space. So shopping at Connshomeplus was an awesome experience. The salesman was very helpful. There were many well-known brands to choose from. I looked at front loaders, top loaders, a few colors. Hey, I even seen one that came with a remote control. Ultimately, I ended up choosing the LG Mega Capacity washer and dryer set along with the pedestals. So for those of you who are not familiar with Connshomeplus, Connshomeplus opened many years ago selling home appliances such as washers, dryers, refrigerators, and stoves. So now they're selling home decor, furniture, and much, much more. Now, I've always purchased our home appliances from Connshomeplus, our TVs, our washer, dryers, our stove, refrigerator, all came from Connshomeplus. However, recently I purchased furniture from Connshomeplus. The furniture was for our master bedroom. I'll place a photo here of the set that we purchased for our master bedroom. You can shop in the store and you also can shop online, and they also have financing, which is awesome. Okay, loves. So here is our before video of our laundry room. Although there was nothing wrong with the space, it just didn't have a personality, and I wanted to bring it up to glam code. So the plan was, and it's what we did, we got rid of the wire shelving. We put down new flooring because originally we had the peel and stick tile. We added the laminate waterproof flooring. We changed out the baseboards. We gave the walls a fresh coat of paint. This was a quick and easy weekend project that my husband did. And it was perfect timing because while waiting for delivery, we were able to refresh our space. So on delivery day, the installation went as planned. The set was perfect, no dents, no dings, or anything like that. The delivery team installed our new set and gave us a detailed explanation on how to work our new LG Mega Capacity washer and dryer set. So now it's decorating time and time to use our new washer and dryer set.